Hi everyone! Easter is coming soon. It will be here before we know it. And for those of you who have requested non-PIO stencil tutorials, this one's for you. This one is Easter Blessings, and I'm going to make this into a multi-part stencil. As you can see here, I've created one with Easter Blessings and replaced the bunny with a cross. And then each of these represent the 3 different colors of hearts. For instance, I'm not sure which one's which. I believe this is pink and purple and maybe gold. I'm not sure. But that's the 3 different colors and the Easter blessing. So this is a 4-part stencil from this one image. I got that image from lovesvg.com. They are free for personal use. You'll want to read the fine print on that if you're interested in this particular image. I love them because they work so well within Design Space, and I will show you how easy they are to work with. So I downloaded that image and inserted it into my project. This is it here. Very important when you are making multi-part stencils is that from the very beginning, you want to make sure that this image is the size that is appropriate for your project. So I pre-measured my plaque cookie cutter, and I know that these dimensions will fit well within it. I'm going to replace the bunny with this cross, and I'm keeping this cross shorter than the bunny ears, so I know that this is going to fit within this plaque cutter. So I've sized that. When I brought it in, I kept it as a print image so that I could have the colors for reference as I'm contouring, and you'll see how that comes in handy. And I've already contoured out everything except Easter Blessings. It was very simple to change out the bunny. When I was contouring, I contoured him out and then brought in my cross image. Let's see, right down here a bit. I brought in this cross image, and I'll show you how I did that. Then I just sized that and made sure that it fit over the bunny ears, but I also wanted to keep it shorter to go with the top of the hearts so that I could fit it onto my cookie. So I just placed it there, sized it appropriately, made sure that it fit within my Easter blessings and didn't overlap any of my hearts. And then I chose my cross and my Easter blessings and grouped them. So the process I did to only have the pink hearts, to only have the purple hearts, I'm going to show you how to do that here with the gold hearts. As you can see with it in a print, it does not show up that you can contour that. So I'm going to change this one. What I did was I duplicated this 1, 2, 3, 4 times so that I had this 4 times, and then each one of them I changed to no fill. Now the contour lights up and I can contour out. So I've already contoured out pink and purple. On this one I'm going to contour out so that all I have left is the gold. So I know immediately I can get rid of the blessings and all of the little parts of the blessings that go with it. Basically, I'm going to delete everything in here except for all of the hearts to start with. So I'll go ahead and keep all of the hearts. This is the eye to blessings, the dot to the eye. And know that I don't need Easter. Get rid of that. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of the bunny to where all I have left in my panel are all of the hearts. So I'll just scan through there, make sure all I have left are hearts. And it looks like that's done. So just click off of there and you'll see I have all these hearts left. To get rid of the colored hearts that I don't want now, I'm going to use this, which I know this doesn't show up great in the video because they gray out the back screen, but you'll want your colored version on the side so that you can see which ones you're wanting. And I know that I want to get rid of everything except the ones that are gold. So I'm looking through here to find the gold ones and deleting all the rest of them. So getting rid of all of these that are not gold. Okay, so I have a gold one here, a gold one above it. This is not gold. So I have one gold in the bottom row, one gold in the next row, one here, one above the A, one above the E, and one right here by the bunny. So now I'm done with that. And just to keep my sanity and my mind straight, I have changed the colors of these so that they match the colors that they are supposed to be. And now I'm going to put them back together. I didn't change the size on any of them so that I know they should all fit together perfectly. This goes by the E. I'm looking at the placement here. And this one goes under the pink heart, and the purple one goes under the B. That looks good, not touching anything. Place the gold one with this gold heart over the E. And that looks good. So what I'm going to do now is grab these together, group them. I'm going to bring in a square for my stencil frame. And I'm going to bring this to the front, arrange. Let's see, arrange, send this to the front. And I'm going to align it to the center. I'm going to change the color of this so you can see better. There you go. So these two items now, the Easter Blessings with all the hearts, this. Now I'm going to duplicate that part. I'm going to group that and duplicate it 4 times. And then all I'm going to do is simply in each one, actually I only needed 3 times. So in this first one, now I'm going to ungroup and ungroup this part, and I'm going to hide all except for my Easter blessings. So I'm going to hide that part, hide, hide. All I have left is this. Now I'm going to grab Easter blessings and my frame and attach. So this is ready to cut for silkscreen. This next one, I'm going to do the same, ungroup, ungroup, and I'm going to get rid of, I already have this part, so I'm going to hide that part, and I will hide 2 of the colors. So I have yellow here. The next one, bring to the front. Actually, this one I'm going to attach real quick. So now we have the yellow hearts and the Easter blessings. On this one, I will ungroup, get rid of Easter blessings in the heart, got rid of the yellow hearts and one of the other colors, the purple hearts. Attach the remaining piece. And make sure you don't move anything in the process. It's very important that you have kept all of your duplicates the same as your original size and that you don't move anything once it's on your frame. Ungroup. and ungroup. Get rid of the cross, get rid of the blessings. Purple's the color we need to keep now. And attach. So now you have the 4 parts to create a 4-part stencil for this Easter Blessings to fit onto your cookie. Bring that to the front. So now we have the 4 parts to be able to use your airbrush or your icing and do all those different fun colors. Obviously, if you're doing this many parts, some of that you're going to want to airbrush because you won't be able to do royal icing on all of that. You'll probably smash your icing and mess things up in the process trying to do that. But that would be a lovely stencil cookie with the airbrush of all of the hearts airbrushed in their various colors and the Easter blessings. Then you could use your RI. Play with it, have some fun, and if you have any questions, place them in the comments. Have a great day. Happy crafting!